Can AI give your business a competitive edge? AI is transforming industries, but how can companies truly benefit from it? In The AI Advantage, Thomas H. Davenport reveals practical AI strategies for businesses. This isn't about futuristic AI, it's about AI that works today. Let's explore how AI can boost productivity and drive success. How AI is changing business. Companies using AI are growing faster and innovating smarter. AI isn't just for tech giants, it's for every industry. Finance, AI detects fraud and automates transactions. Retail, personalized recommendations increase sales. Manufacturing, AI optimizes supply chains. Healthcare, AI speeds up diagnosis and treatment. If your business isn't using AI, you're falling behind. The AI Adoption Framework. How can businesses successfully integrate AI? Davenport introduces automation. AI handles repetitive tasks. Assistance, AI helps humans make smarter decisions. Augmentation, AI enhances human creativity and strategy. The key? Start small, scale smart, and focus on value. Why this book matters. Real-world case studies from top companies. Step-by-step strategies for AI adoption. Practical AI insights for non-technical leaders. This book is a must-read for business leaders, entrepreneurs, and innovators looking to stay ahead. Final thoughts. AI isn't the future, it's the present. Is your business ready? How do you see AI shaping industries? Let's discuss in the comments.